So guys, we have my room in Dubai. This one doorbell, door. Come inside. This one guys, how much room in Dubai? Room house in Dubai, like this, simply flat. This my room is flat. Yeah, but my uh, kitchen equipment there, and washing there, like this. All have. If you take room house in Dubai flat, we have washing machine automatic, like this. Me personally, I have scooter one. If you take a room, we have this one. This all my kitchen table, family table, my foods, the kids. My banana, I have banana, and I have my orange. This one, my name is Sophia. Say hello.
Hello.
We have my sofa and prepared take food, chicken, nuggets, and we have ice cream, and we have coke, milk tea. What about rice cooker, computer, TV, and one bedroom, two bed, double deck, and one TV. But what is this? What is this? Your play? Your toys?
This
This is
this.
what?
Relax.
This one.
This
How about this? What is that?
doggo.
What?
Doggo.
Go what? Fruits? What is this? Ah,
Teach
what?
book.
Book. What? I see. Oh, check. Oh, okay, for drawing.
Yeah.
This one my room, only big room. How much room? Room house in Dubai. Room house Dubai is 4,500 dirham. So like this.
And this
Like
is
what this?
sofas.
Sofas. What sofas? I see. Oh my god, delicious. How about this? How about this? Come. How about how about this? Lugaw?
Yeah.
Yes, lugaw. And adobo. Today you school, no? You school today?
Yeah.
When? Where? Yes. Today no school. My little daughter. My gadget. This my scooter. This one scooter. That one charge. People using. But this one low bat. my helmet, helmet my daughter, helmet my son, daughter, helmet son, and me also helmet too for scooter, and my bike, my daughter,
And this is
my and this shoes skippers like this. Yeah. If you go outside, is there my shoes. This one's door going outside, and my bathroom. Check bathroom. Yeah, very clean. This one my mirror. If you wash your hand, and wash your face, see the mirror. And the light is very nice. Good light. Huh? My watch. If you shower, you going work, you see this one, you're late, or I don't know this one, but nice watch in my restroom, bathroom. So what this one lotion, tissue, this, yeah, this one simple room in Dubai, 4,500 dirham. So like this my room, bathroom. Yes. So very nice, good, but very expensive, huh? Very expensive. But water, no water, little water. Later I refill. Yeah. All my condiments. Kitchen. All. Oven, rice cooker, bread, this bread, air fryer, bread, and what is food? I check. It's very nice, good. Wow. Bread. This one bread. Yeah, for kids. Yeah. Very delicious for kids. So like this, my room, my electric pan, aircon, like this, aircon. 22 temperature. So okay, so say goodbye.
goodbye.
Thank you for watching.